Hello and welcome to this demo of EasyTranslate. My name is Joris Aerts, co-founder of Clickworks. We are based in Belgium, right in the heart of Europe, so we know a thing or two about translations, and we want to share our own toolkit that we use for years with you. If you want to add localization to your FileMaker file, want to make your FileMaker file available in multiple languages, then this is the toolkit you will want to use. Let me just show you. I have an empty demo file ready. I am already in layout mode, and I'm going to activate the add-ons tab and add EasyTranslate to my solution. Just drag this on the layout, switch to browse mode, and this already works right out of the box. So I'm switching the language to Spanish, and as you can see, this label next to the field is immediately translated. EasyTranslate comes with a translation toolbox. So we walk our talk. Our toolbox is entirely multilingual. So I can change the language and you see all the labels in this toolbox are translated immediately. How this works is we keep a table of different keywords, like language, for instance. We use this toolbox to translate every keyword in a different languages, including error messages, longer messages, for instance. And there are a few clever things going on behind the scenes. We believe in global fields for translations, not global variables. Global variables tend to clutter your data viewer when you are programming. We don't want that. So we rely on a table holding global fields. And we use the BaseElements Plugin from Goya with their permission to maintain this table of global fields. So let me quickly show you. I'm going to check if I already have a demo label. I don't have it, so I can just add a new keyword. I click new, this will be added, and I can translate it. The second clever thing going on is that we use Google Translate to provide a first rough translation of the different keywords. I can of course edit them if I want to. And if I'm now going back to layout mode, I can immediately use my new label. So what's going on? I'm going to fields. I'm going to activate this dedicated UI translation table, UIT. And my newly created label is already available there as a new field. That's why we use the BaseElements plugin. So it's already there. I can add it to my layout somewhere here, for instance, and switch back to browse mode. And right now it's empty, so there's a third thing going on, a third optimization. It's we use caching for faster loading of translation. So everything is stored in tables as it should, but when I hit the save button here, the translations will be optimized, saved as a JSON string for faster loading. So when I now change the language, again, you see this label now, this newly created label now follows. You're not limited to 4 languages. We have a complete language table, all the languages that are supported by Google Translate. So I can, for instance, uncheck Dutch and activate an exotic language like Greek, for instance. And now I can immediately provide translations to Greek. Let me just quickly translate the title of this toolbox. Again, I need to save it to update the cache. And now I can switch to Greek, and as you can see, this title will be translated. You need a Google API key if you want to use Google Translate, but there are plenty of videos, and we will guide you to that in the next video with step-by-step instructions on how to implement EasyTranslate into your solution. So this was a quick overview. Thank you very much for watching.